Hello again, Globetrotters and Grammar Geeks.
Welcome back to
The Pareto English Podcast, where we teach you the 20% of English that helps you survive 80% of real-life moments.
And today's moment is getting lost in a foreign country.
Oh no, where's the hotel? Where's the bathroom? Where's my sanity?
Fear not. Today, we'll guide you, literally, through asking for directions like a pro.
And maybe making a friend or two along the way.
The real-life struggle.
Picture this. You're in Paris. It's raining, your phone is dead, your map is soggy.
You squint at a blurry street sign, rude, something. You see a friendly local and think, okay, English mode on.
But then panic sets in. How do I even ask for directions politely?
Don't worry. By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say, how to say it, and how to not end up in a bakery when you asked for the bus station.
Although, honestly, getting lost in a bakery doesn't sound too bad.
The core phrases, essential English.
Let's dive in. Here are your golden direction phrases.
First, excuse me.
I'm looking for the train station.
How do I get to place? Is it far from here?
Can you show me on the map?
Politeness is everything. Always start with,
Excuse me,
sorry to bother you.
would you mind helping me?
And if you're totally lost, just say, I think I'm a bit lost. Can you help me?
Add a smile, and boom, people will usually be happy to help.
5. Story time, the lost tourist.
Okay, story time. Meet Maria. She's visiting Tokyo. She gets off the train, realizes she went one stop too far, and her hotel is nowhere in sight.
She sees a local and says, excuse me, I'm lost. I'm looking for Hotel Sakura. The kind local says, ah, Hotel Sakura. Go straight 2 blocks, turn left at the Family Mart, then it's on your right.
Maria says, thank you so much.
She gets to the hotel, safe and sound, and she learned 3 things. 1, people are kinder than you think. 2, a smile and good English go a long way. 3, maps lie.
5. Vocabulary spotlight.
Let's spotlight some key vocab from that story.
Block. A group of buildings between streets. 2 blocks from here.
Turn left, turn right. Directions, obviously.
Go straight. Keep walking forward.
Intersection, where 2 streets cross.
On your left. On your right. Easy peasy.
And the phrase, I'm looking for, super useful in any situation. Like, I'm looking for a restaurant. I'm looking for the embassy. I'm looking for inner peace.
6. Pronunciation practice. Repeat after us.
All right, repeat after us. Say it out loud. Your brain remembers better that way. First, excuse me.
How do I get to the airport?
I'm a bit lost. Could you show me the way?
Is it far?
Go straight, then turn left.
Again, with confidence.
Excuse me.
I'm looking for the museum.
Thank you so much.
7. Grammar nugget. Questions for directions.
Quick grammar tip. When asking for directions, you're using question forms like, how do I get to? Where is? Is it near here? Can you show me?
These are all present simple questions. Nothing fancy, just friendly curiosity. And don't forget those question words. How, where, can, is.
8. Advanced moves, friendly follow-ups.
Want to level up? Try these follow-up questions to keep the conversation going. Is there a cafe near there?
Can I walk or do I need a taxi? How long does it take to get there?
These show confidence and make you sound like a world-class traveler.
9. Cultural tips and what not to do.
A quick warning, don't speak super fast and don't shout. English volume doesn't make English clearer.
Also, don't forget to say thank you, even if you didn't understand everything.
And if someone speaks back too fast, just say,
Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly?
most people will help you, especially if you're respectful and calm. 10. Wrap up. So today, you learned how to ask for directions, survive confusion, and maybe discover a hidden gem along the way.
And remember, getting lost is sometimes the best way to find something amazing.
Ooh, poetic.
That's what I do.
Now, your turn. In the comments, tell us, have you ever gotten lost in a foreign country? What did you say?
Smash that like button if you've ever needed a map, a miracle, or a kind stranger.
And don't miss next week's episode, ordering food without sounding like a lost puppy. This was
The Pareto English Podcast.
where 20% of English gives you 80% of the power.